Hi guys, welcome to K2M Unboxing. Today we got a big box. This is the massage chair from Best Massage, black in color. So we are gonna open it and see how it looks. Okay guys, this is pretty heavy. Mark on the side please.
So there's two separate packs for the packages.
So,
This is a different package, and for the bottom, there's a different package. The bottom just slides up.
so you see, let's take this out and put this on the back. This is pretty good pack.
And safe.
So sometimes the packages can get damaged in the shipping, so make sure you check for the package that is not damaged from anywhere and all the things are good. Now this is the one thing that I got out of it. Let's see what it is. So underneath this, we got this power cable that will probably go on the back. We got this scissor.
Right.
So in this package we have
So it comes with the operation instructions for the massage.
okay. Here we got the, if you see, we got the remote control. This will probably go in the back. So this is the remote. Looks like Best Massage. We got different air mode, different type of massage, different auto mode that we have, manual methods, air. It does have air for arms and calves, different position of the seats. Heated is heated, different position, and zero gravity if you see, and the on and off button. So we'll see how it works. I'll take this right now, take it out, this part, and Ali, what do you got in there?
So in here, we've got
What can you keep this with us?
operation instructions for the massage here. Right, let's put that right here. And a maintenance and clearing for anesthetic leathering. And
No. Okay.
this factory description.
This is the warranty card. It comes with, I think, 5 years warranty. So you should fill this up. Factory direct is the seller.
And another one.
This is maintenance cleaning information.
And these are some extra parts.
These are the extra parts like fuse, 2 screws, 1 knob that we have. This, now we have the operation is instruction in there, how to assemble it, all the functions. You see everything is there, how to attach the leg piece. Good thing is, do not move the chair with its wheel on the floor, rough ground or narrow space. And this is how you can do it. You can pull it up a little bit, right? And then push it, there's a wheel in there, that's how you can move it. Which is good, it's pretty heavy, so you need that. That's all guys for this. Ali, can you put this back? And I want to keep this with other. Now let's see what we have. Okay. The first thing guys we have is
For the feet.
let me take it out. Oh my god. This is heavy too. The first thing we have is
For the foot massage.
that's the piece. That's one piece it comes out. That is
What?
you put it there. That Ali Moss. Moss, can you move please? That is the for the it have the calf and the feet massager. On the front, this I think goes as an attachment. It has instruction. This Velcro will go into seat, so it will be seamless. Here will be 2 screws that will go with the attachment. These are the 2 things here. I think there will be attachment with the chair. These 2 will go with the attachment of the chair. So that's the leg and the feet piece. I'm going to keep it on the side. Now your chair is assembled. Now you have what you need to do is now connect to the power and this remote. So I'm gonna put the remote in the pocket here. Ali, hold it. And take this and plug this. This wire just goes. If you guys come here, Ali, can you just show them? This one goes right here. So right here. Okay guys, now the power, I can take the power one, the power outlet right here close to the chair. I don't know if I want this chair to be this location or some other location, but I'm just right now going to just keep it that way. You got the power here. Okay guys, like this. I'm just gonna tie this. Make sure to not cutter the wires. Okay. Now this plug-in. It does have on and off button, so I won't turn it on right now. Let me just clean it up. Alright, if I do this, power button is going up. I'm gonna reset it and bring to the initial position. The good thing is when it goes to zero gravity, it actually does not take much space on the back. It only says like 6 to 10 inches. So you can have across the wire. One thing I noticed, like in order to set it to completely reset, I have to press the power button twice. If you see that leg piece is going down, now it is in the reset position. So now you see, now it is in the reset position. I'm gonna put it down here and show you guys a 360, a full 11 calf piece. You got air pocket for arms, right? Airs for calves, all your back, neck. These are the side for the shoulder. Air comes in there. If I show you from here, the side profile. Then here's a pocket for the remote. Got it in black, but it looks like a little bit brown. The back is there. This is the position hook that I was saying. When you lift it, you hold it from here. The down you see only two power outlet and that. Now let's see how it feels. Let me just clean it and then sit down and see. So that's it for now, guys. This is the unboxing. We'll take the massage, review it, and let you know how is it. I have tried it in the past. It is pretty good. For the cost, you can get it from Sam's. It's very, very good. Highly recommend it. All right, guys, take care.